Alright guys, so y'all all know when it comes to the Chevys and when you lift it, it kicks the front out further than the back. As you can kind of see here. See the difference? So we got us some 2-inch spacers to fix that problem. You go here, centric 2-inch spacers. Here's the part number. I'll try to leave a link below on where we got them at. Alright guys, so how I measured it here is get you a flat edge, or flat edge I should say. Hold it on your tire straight and then go like this from your fender. And we got exactly I mean, it's not exactly 4 inches, but almost 4 inches. And then on your front one, which is the one you're trying to match, same concept. 4 1/4, 4 inches, match. So now we have the same distance. It probably doesn't look like it from this angle just because of the wheel is not straight up here. Let's see if I can get the wheel straight. Alright, so hopefully this gets a little better view of let's go from the back side. We like to look at it from the back side more anyway. Right, wife? No comment. There we go. That's all she wrote. Of course, you got to torque them down and all that stuff, so don't forget that. But that's about it for this video. Got a bunch more coming. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.